What if I told you there exists something that is neither truly alive nor completely dead? Something so tiny that billions can fit on a tip of a needle, yet powerful enough to change human history. That mysterious entity is called a virus. Hi, this is Rahul Saxena, and you are watching the Genetic Epoch. Viruses are microscopic infectious particles. They are much smaller than bacteria and can only be seen using an electron microscope. Now, here's the shocking part. Outside a living cell, viruses behave like dead particles. No movement, no respiration, no growth. But once they enter a living cell, they become active, hijack the cell's machineries, and start reproducing rapidly. That's why viruses are called obligate intracellular parasites, meaning they can survive and multiply only inside a host cell. Now, let's understand their structure. A virus mainly has two parts. First, genetic material. This can be either DNA or RNA, not both together, right? Second, a protective protein coat called the capsid. Some viruses also possess an outer envelope made from lipids. Now, one of the most famous examples are the coronavirus, responsible for the global COVID 19 pandemic, and we are the survivors, right? Another deadly virus is HIV, which attacks the immune systems. Another we can consider rabies virus affects the nervous system, and the influenza virus causes flu, right? But not all viruses are harmful. Some viruses called bacteriophages, which infect bacteria. Scientists even use them in research and medicine. Now, here's an important historical fact. In 1892, Dmitry Ivanovsky discovered infectious particles which stored in tobacco plants. Later, Martinus Byring named them virus, meaning poisons, right? Now, the big questions, are viruses living or non living? Well, they exist exactly at the border of life. Outside the host, non living. Inside the host, living and reproducing. Viruses cannot be cultured in artificial medium. That's what makes viruses one of the most mysterious entities in biology. And remember, something invisible to the human eye can still shake the entire world. Thank you.